Hi, I'm Oluwakemi. I'm excited to have you here again. This is JAMB Physics 2017, which goes thus. When red light is mixed green light, the resulting color is the light is made up of different wavelengths. And the wavelength is a particular color, and the color that we see is a result of which wavelength are reflected to our eyes. So this wavelength ranges from 700 nm to the other end of the spectrum, 400 nm, and this is red, while this is violet. So now when equal quantities of red and green light are incident on our eyes, both the red and the green receptors are excited. Now notice how the red light has the longer wavelength than the green light. The green light is of a shorter wavelength. So the signal of equal excitation of the two colors is sent to the brain, and the brain interprets the color as something of an average of the two colors. So it picks some wavelength that is midway between red and green. Surely the yellow light is the one with the wavelength between these two colors, and hence the brain interprets the color as yellow, and that is how we perceive it as yellow light. So from the answer option A, red, B, black, C, yellow. Yellow is the correct answer. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.